Let's throw you out. Right, let's just do like do it in bottle first.
Do it now, come on.
Do it in bottle first.
Right.
Yeah, let's do it now. Come on.
How are we going to do it?
Get up there first.
I don't know how we're going to do it. I don't like it, I don't like it.
Boys, give us
How
a
are we going
push
to get a
again.
big lift? Like, it's not going to... I think we'll have to go sideways.
Push like this. Right, let's do it.
Oh. I don't like everybody's looking at us now.
You've gone this far. Do it now, don't we?
Right, will you?
One.
I don't wait till these people walk behind because you nailed them.
Ah!
You have to put it on the side, do we? We have to give it a turn.
We have to give it a big flip, right?
No, we lift it up a bit.
A big flip, right?
No, lift it up to the height.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, jump! Oh fuck, we're shit.
Oh, I'm going to bed.